I've made over $27,000 plus selling digital products each and every single month. And these are the platforms and strategies I would never do again because they were horrible. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 of the most popular ways you can sell digital products and make money online, but are also the worst ways to do it. And I'm going to explain why in this video. So if you're looking to start selling digital products and you want to know the best way where you can get started, don't use the ones I'm going to talk about in this video. Let's go. Oh yeah, right quick before we start, if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to give you some digital products that you can actually start selling as soon as today and start making money. And it's going to come with the website, the emails, everything you need so that you can start making money selling digital products by using the same strategy that I use and I teach my students to use so that you can start making passive income selling digital products. All right, now let's go. Number 3 is Amazon KDP. Now, I know that you guys have heard it, and I know it's super popular. Amazon is a reputable company, and they handle all the stuff for you. You can put your digital product on Amazon. You can sell a physical product on Amazon, but we're just going to talk about the digital aspect of selling on Amazon, and it's called Amazon KDP. Now, the pros of selling on Amazon KDP is Amazon already has an audience. People go there, and it's free. Also, if you're selling a digital product, you won't have to store your product because it's not physical in any type of warehouse. Once you sell it, it can immediately start becoming profitable. But there is a major con. The fact that Amazon is so reputable and a large company means that you are going to be a small fish in a large ocean all around the world. So it's going to make it very difficult for your product to get found, for people coming on Amazon searching for something. Amazon also has an algorithm, so you're gonna have to become really good if you're selling your digital product with learning SEO. So you have to put keywords in your description, keywords in the title of your ebook, and you wanna get reviews. So you're gonna have to probably give it away for free so that people can read it and leave a review in order to get you started. But that's not all. Before you're even able to get your digital product, and we'll just use something like an ebook, on a platform like Amazon, you have to set up your ebook and format it so that you're able to sell it on Amazon. Let me show you. All right, so this is Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, which stands for KDP. All right, so this is where you will upload your digital product and you will have to format it and make it to where you can actually sell it on Amazon. And you're gonna have to learn how to do it so that you can do it correctly, because if you do it wrong, they're not gonna be able to accept it and they're gonna ask you to do it again. But you can create your ebook, you can have some timelines, but another thing you're gonna have to get is an ISBN, which is kind of like a barcode to where they can track your sales, and you can also track your sales. But let me show you what the process is. So we're gonna go continue setup. So you gotta go through these processes. You have to fill out all this information right here. And it's asking you for those keywords and everything. All right, so you're gonna have to do that process. Once you're done with the book, your ebook details, you gotta do your actual content. And you're gonna have to do this stuff right here. You're gonna have to upload a manuscript and everything. You gotta create the cover yourself. It's going to ask you if there's any AI generated content, but you're going to have to be real honest so they know what's going on so that you won't get your ebook taken down. You're going to have to create a preview, and then once you have your ISBN, you're going to have to put that there as well, okay? One of the biggest things, you guys, is you have to format your ebook to make sure that it is able to be inside Kindle. Don't think that you can just create an ebook in like Canva or with a Word doc and just throw it on Amazon. It has to be put into a true ebook form so that people, when they purchase it, they can read it in Kindle. And then once you're done, you just got to complete the pricing, the royalties, the distribution. You got to fill out all this information. All right. And then once you're done, you can actually publish it, and then they're going to let you know when it's live, and then you can actually start selling it. It's a process to do this. Some people, it could take a day. Some people, it may take a week or 2 weeks or even a month because you're not familiar with how to do this, versus me just creating a digital product and just putting it on my website after I've uploaded it to something like Google Drive or Dropbox so I can have the link and just sell it and people can download it as is. So if I created it in Canva or if I created it in Google Docs or WordPress, I don't have to go through all the formatting. The people get access to it and they can read it. Are you ready to create stunning ebooks and reports? Then look no further. Meet Designer, your all-in-one content creation powerhouse. Using Designer, you can turn your ideas into beautiful, professional ebooks and reports effortlessly. Easily import content, customize with their user-friendly editor, and choose from a wide variety of stunning templates. But here's the game changer, the AI feature, Word Genie. Word Genie uses artificial intelligence to create digital informational products in seconds. All you have to do is just provide a topic and it magically generates content for you. I love Designer because it's your content your way. Get started now. And then again, like I said, Amazon is such a large platform, it's hard promoting yourself with all the competition. Now coming in at number 2 is a platform that's very popular that people sell their digital products on, but I think it's a waste of money. I believe that people are only selling on this platform due to its popularity because of influencers and other entrepreneurs that are promoting this platform because they're affiliates. And if you sign up and start paying for it, they will get a commission, which is understandable. But you don't have to sell on this platform. There are platforms out there that are actually free, and I'm going to show you that at the end of this video. But the name of the platform I'm talking about right now is StanStore. Now, I have no problems or issues with StanStore. I do think it is a great software, a great platform to sell your digital products on. But my only thing is this: if you're just starting to sell digital products, it could be a little pricey. Now, if you're looking to sell your digital products or sell anything on StanStore for that matter, they do have a free trial. So for 2 weeks, you'll be able to test it out. After then, the pricing starts at $29 a month up to $99 a month. Now, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can do all of this stuff on a platform that won't charge you a dime. But at $29, this is all you get right here. You get the mobile optimized creator store, calendar booking so people can book you. You get to take a look at some limited analytics. They're always better on the pro version. You can have unlimited courses if you create and sell courses. You can have one-tap checkout. You can create a subscription where people are paying you every single month, and you get your email list newsletter builder. Now, this is something that people don't understand if you're just starting out. You can build your email list, but under the $29 plan, you can't really segment and create multiple different campaigns under this. And if you don't know what email campaigns is, this is all the automations that go out to the people after they purchase the product. You can only build your email list, but you basically can't do anything with them. You just have a place where you're storing the emails. What you want to do is get the email marketing. The email marketing is to where now that you have those emails, okay, you can send out emails to those people. So if they bought something, now you can send them emails telling them about your other products or any other products that you're selling, and really communicate with them via email, which is email marketing. With the email list newsletter builder, you can't do that. You're only collecting emails and it's going to deliver the product, and that's really it. And a lot of people don't understand that. And then other thing is you don't get a limited funnel, so you can only have one funnel, which basically means you can probably sell one product only, to where the person can purchase it and then check out, and then they'll get the product delivered. That's your complete funnel. You can't do any discount code and upsells. I always talk about upsells and how you could turn a $7 product into a $47 product with order bumps and upsells. I leave a video popping up on your screen right now if you want to know more about that, on how I triple my income per customer with order bumps and upsells selling digital products. And then you can't offer any payment plans for people who can't afford your premium price products. But for $99, you'll get all of those things. You have to pay that each and every single month. So that is the only reason why I wouldn't recommend StanStore, because I know something that is better where you can get a bang for your buck. And dude, over 90% of this stuff on a free forever plan. And then when you start making money and your business grows, you can always upgrade and get even more features on the paid plan versus their lowest paid plan on StanStore. So stick around. I'm going to reveal that platform to you at the end of this video. Right now, I'm going to tell you my #1 platform that is the most popular, where people just go to sell digital products, but it is the worst platform to sell your digital products on. And the name of that platform is called Etsy. Again, like Amazon, the platform is so big and so saturated to where you're just going to blend in and you're not going to stand out. For every journal, there's somebody else who's selling 10 journals or 20 journals just like it. So that means the same thing, just like Amazon, you're going to have to get real good at SEO and keywords in your products, in your titles, in the description so that it can pop up in Etsy's own algorithm. This is why a lot of people, when they're on Etsy, they start thinking about using ads and paying Etsy to run ads to show their products to more people because there's so many people on the platform and they want to skip the line and jump in front of all their competition. But that is one half of the reasons why I tell people not to start with Etsy. The other reason I tell people is because of their fees. They could bring a $7 product down to almost $0. And in some cases, your account can get in the negative because of their fees. And I'm not exaggerating about this. You can actually go online and see some people whose account was closed or their account went into the negative because they weren't making any money and their fees were more than their actual products and have built up and accumulated in time. But they have this one-time shop setup fee. So to open your store, to get it ready, to set it up, you're going to have to pay a fee for that. And then they have a 20-cent listing fee, which is not a lot of money, but it does add up when you're selling a lot of products. All right. So every new product you list, you're going to have to pay that. And then you have to pay it again after 4 months if you haven't sold anything. Then they have a 6.5% transaction fee. That means they're going to take 6.5% of the profits of your sale per transaction. And then there's a 3% plus a 25-cent payment processing fee. So if you're selling a product that is $10, they're going to take 3% of that and plus 25% for the processing of the payment. So when you sell an item, there's a small commission and standard payment processing fee that they turn over to you guys as the entrepreneurs and make you pay it. Just think about this. If you're selling anything on Etsy, especially digital products, and your products aren't a lot of money, it's going to be very difficult for you to become profitable selling those digital products because Etsy is constantly pulling money out of your account, whether or not you sell. Now, as promised, I told you if you stuck around to the end of this video, I will show you a platform that you could sell any or all of your digital products on, and it won't cost you a dime. You won't have to pay all these outrageous listing fees and transaction fees. You won't have to reformat your digital products. You won't have to do a whole lot of crazy SEO, none of that stuff. And most importantly, you won't have to pay anything. They have a free forever plan that will be as free for as long as you stay within the free forever plan's restrictions. But even if you upgraded to one of their payment plans, their first payment plan is still crushing all of the platforms we just talked about, which is still super cool. And the name of this platform is called System.io. As you can see, they have a free forever plan that's $0 a month. All right, so you can sign up. They're not even going to ask you for your credit card information. You just create your account with your name and your email, verify your email, and you can get started with your account the same day. Just like we were talking about the email marketing, you'll be able to get up to 2,000 contacts, which is more than enough, especially if you're just starting out, and you'll be able to send unlimited emails to those 2,000 contacts. All right. So you already have the email marketing that we were talking about in StanStore in the free forever plan of System.io. You'll be able to get 3 sales funnels. All right. As we looked at the other places, some of them don't even have a sales funnel. And the ones that do, they definitely don't give you 3. Remember, you could turn one customer into 2 or 3 and increase your cart value of your sales by adding a one-click upsell. You can do that with System.io in the free forever plan. The same thing with order bumps. You can do that as well. But using one-click upsells and order bumps is how you can go from making 3 figures to 4 figures to even 5 figures off one digital product. But with System.io, I think they're crushing them as far as all the stuff you get for free. But if you do upgrade, of course, you're going to get a lot more. That's up to you. And you have the time to do that. You can actually start selling on this platform, make some money, and then upgrade as your business grows. Now, let's say that you're just getting started. You don't have a digital product to sell on any of these platforms yet. You don't know about one-click upsells. You don't know about creating a website, you don't know about emails and none of that stuff. Well, then what you want to do is take part of my digital income starter kit, and I'm going to leave the link down below this video. I break down this entire process of how you can get started in the most affordable way and get a bang for your buck without all the stress and all these fees and all the learning curves of creating a digital product to where you won't even have to create it from scratch. I give you a digital product. Matter of fact, I give you options to choose from. I'm going to give you the website so you won't have to build it from scratch. I'm going to give you the upsell. I'm going to give you the order bump. Everything is going to be pre-built and done for you. I'll even give you the email templates, and I'll show you how to set it up in 7 easy steps. You'll find the link to the Digital Income Starter Kit in my YouTube description, or you can comment in this video, Digital Income Starter Kit, and I send it to you immediately as soon as I get the message. And if you look at any of my comments in my videos, I always reply back. But if you're that person and you're looking to start selling digital products and you want to know, once you pick your platform, how do you go through the process of making your idea or your digital product accessible to the consumer so they can start buying it, then you want to watch this video popping up on your screen. Because when you compare what you just learned in this video with what you're going to learn in the next, it's going to make you way more powerful. Stay blessed.